Right, yo, that's all us packed up, almost ready to rock and roll. Shada's gonna get a big shock. So we're gonna do a little adventure across to the west coast. Hopefully we'll climb Ben Nevis today, if weather permitting. We've got the ponchos. And then maybe we'll camp outside as well. Shada doesn't know about that yet.
Well then,
Yes?
did you take cups or anything? Do we have?
No, we need to take cups.
And what about the tea thing? You took the tea thing?
Just this,
We don't need anything
no,
else?
because I've got a pot.
Can't tell, to be honest.
Okay.
Ouch.
So our first stop,
Coffee!
coffee as usual, in a little quaint little village called
Doon?
Doon. We don't know if we're saying that right, but
Doon.
we're just teaching Shada how to make a scone. Butter first, and then jam,
But
and then
amount of
coffee.
butter?
Well, it looks like a good coffee actually. Lovely jubbly. Yeah, nice and thick. Get that butter on nice and thick, girl. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
It's like bread and cake.
Bread and cake mixed together.
Yeah.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and
What a view! So this is like Instagram versus reality.
Yeah,
Love it.
that's cute.
Yeah, love it. Wow, I'm glad the clouds cleared here. Look at that. That's so pretty. No wonder there's so many parking spots. Oh, actually, I think they climbed through there.
From here, Three Sisters.
Yeah, I think it was the Three Sisters. And they were in that valley.
Wow, busy.
Look at my side, it's beautiful. I think that's, you see where the sea meets the water,
Yeah.
the smooth meets the rough.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Why is it
That's
like that?
interesting. I think it's fresh water meeting salt water. I might be wrong, but I think it is. Okay. So, just got here to Ben Nevis car park. Got ourselves a 24-hour ticket because we don't know how long our hike's going to take. £8, 40 dirhams. You ready for your big hike?
No.
Oh no! Oh, look at that! So I reluctantly got what I wanted. For you to do the highest mountain in the UK. What is she in for? Made a few errors already. Came off route.
Right.
And we're starting at 240. let's hope that
We're back by.
let's hope our fitness
No,
keeps
by,
us.
by 7. Let's hope we're back by.
Sluggy. It's all steps so far. You're getting Annapurna vibes, Shada. More steps. Sorry?
We should stop it.
This is more like it. That's what we like.
Yeah.
Ah, those steps were murder.
You should show your shirt.
This shirt's usually light grey. It's now dark grey. Everyone else is like, what, like 3 layers on? We're dying. We're sweating on our way up. Someone's feeling a bit chilly now. The hefty decathlon fleece has been added. What is it? Salty, sweety nutties. Lovely, with some nice views. Should we fill our bottle in this waterfall?
Like Sam.
This is what happens when you walk inside a cloud. Droplets start forming in your beard. We're almost there. Ish. We're on the zigzaggy bit near the top. It seems to be never ending though. We're flagging a wee bit, aren't we, Shada? Yeah. But we're almost there. Stuart says it flattens at the top once it gets straight, so I hope he's right. Finally, we're on the plateau. We can move a little bit. Ah, those zigzags. Now that looks like it could be a scary drop, but I don't know because it's too misty. But we've pretty much summited. Oh, finally! Do that again, Shada. There's Shada being her lovely spirited self. But we summited, Shada! Congratulations, you climbed the highest mountain in the UK. And look at the views. Incredible. Beautiful. What views. Some nice messages on the cairns. Well done, Shada. How do you feel? Accomplished? Happy?
Let's go touch it.
Okay, let's go touch it. Oh dear. Go on, make your tap. Woo! Highest mountain in UK, baby! She's only been here a week and she's climbed the highest peak in the United Kingdom. What a beast. Shada. It's not much of a view. Really, is there? Well, also on the summit, there's a wee shelter, wee bothy, just in case you got stuck on the top of the mountain. You can survive in here. thankfully we're on our way down. These zigzags are so much faster and easier on the way down. Woo! Do you want to get a video of me walking? Or what? Or me get one of you?
My socks are wet.
Oh dear. We're going to be under the clouds again soon. We'll be able to see things. Sheepies! Don't be so sheepish. Finally, we're coming out of the clouds. Already feels drier,
Yeah.
doesn't it? Wow.
So nice when you can see.
I know. Thankfully, coming into the final stretch, the last bridge. Hello, sir.
I don't want to eat ants.
No.
That is so cute.
Look over this way.
Are they usually that small?
Yeah.
Stop it. And they're blind.
Wonderful.
Oh my.
So cute. I wonder what he was videoing. Hello, sir.
Hey.
He doesn't. Hello, Mr. Deer. You wanted your close-up, Shada. Don't you disturb him. Hello, dear. Enjoying your foodies. Please be doing food and drinks.
Please, we don't.
Please be doing food and drinks still. Please, please, please. This was well needed, Shada. Oh. Are you ready for it? I mean, we burnt thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of calories. I think we made a pretty good job of that, Shada. Was that nice? It was probably average, but to us it was amazing because we were absolutely starving. Well, literally everywhere was full in Fort William. So we've ended up having to do a bit of a stealth camp. Shada's first time. She's coping admirably. Well done, Shada.